In a world where fashion trends come and go, some styles stand the test of time. One of those enduring icons are the classic sneaker. From basketball courts in the 80s to today's city streets, sneakers have evolved from pure function to a symbol of style and self expression. And today, we're diving into one of the latest releases that bridges the past and present with effortless cool. That's the Puma CA Luxe. So, this is a sneaker that blends classic design with modern comfort, but does it make it a must-have for both sneaker enthusiasts and casual wearers alike? The Puma CA Luxe is a modern reinterpretation of the classic California design, a style first made waves in the 80s. Back then, it was all about performance on the court, and today it's about performance on the street. Now, does this sneaker do that? With its minimalist design, the CA Luxe taps into growing trends, the return to simple, clean aesthetics. No over the top logos or wild colorways, just a sleek black leather upper paired with a white cupsole. It's a look that's understated but is impactful. Now let's talk comfort, because what's the point of looking good if your feet are protesting by the end of the day? The CA Luxe comes equipped with Puma insoles, which feels supportive and cushioned, and I don't think it has the soft foam plus, but it's not too bad. It's like stepping onto pillows. It's the kind of comfort that makes every step feel steady, smooth, not too soft, and definitely not stiff. In terms of sizing, Puma has kept things simple and inclusive. The CA Luxe is available in sizes ranging from 3 to 13 in the UK, catering to a wide range of foot shapes and sizes. Having these on foot, I would say true to size. However, if you have a wide foot, then half a size up. And the main reason I say that is because of the midfoot. The midfoot has a big mold around the arch. It's a bit like the Fear of God basketball ones, if you know that feeling. The leather tongue and colour is meant to add to a premium feel, ensuring that the feet stay comfortable. Now, the rubber outsole is designed to grip with a simple flat look and design. I like it. It does give a designer feel. So whether you're navigating city streets or slick cafe, you're covered. Alright, let's get real. Style and comfort are great, but what about the price? The Puma CA Luxe is priced at £85 in the UK, but if you go to Puma website, and that's if you go today, they are offering 30% discount. So I actually got mine for around £56, which is, considering the quality of the materials and the semi-premium feel, it does feel sweet to have such a thing, and I would say this is affordable luxury, but I'll leave it up to you to decide if it's luxury or not. Compared to other sneakers in the range, you're getting a lot for your money. The leather upper alone makes it a solid investment. According to the Puma website, so that's what Puma says, leather composition are the following. Upper is about 94% cow leather, 2.9% synthetic, 2.7% textile. So you got to agree, with the extra discount, this is very attractive. So £85 to £56, and you're getting leather which is reasonable and it looks like real leather, and you're getting what you're getting. That can't be too bad. So how do you start a sneaker that's versatile as the CA Luxe? The answer is anywhere you want. Pair it with jeans, a bomber jacket for a laid back weekend look, or go business casual with chinos and a fitted sweater. The minimalist design makes it a natural fit for almost any outfit. Its black and white palette is blank canvas, making it easy to dress it up or dress it down. It's the kind of sneaker you can throw on without overthinking it, and sometimes that's exactly what you need. Now for me, there are a few flaws. The quality of the finish, the toe box and the cup sole in some places are coming away. The cup sole itself has a stack of about 4.2 centimeters in height, and the shape, even though I highlighted it as a designer-esque look, is something about it which is not quite right. Also, the shape of the trainer itself is a bit off. On the bright side, as soon as it's on feet, you do have a different feel. If you're ready to try something different which could do bits for your wardrobe, and this is what I'm trying to do with the channel, show you things that are different, then head over to Puma's website and check out the CA Luxe for yourself. Let me know your thoughts below, like obviously, and if you want to see another different Puma option that is a really good look, take a look at this video.